Plants are like people. They like to move around, and every now and again we have to move one of our plants in the garden. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery. Today we're going to talk about how to replant hydrangeas. We've had a great summer. This beautiful hydrangea has lived happily on my patio and has just given us hours and hours of delight. All our friends and family that have come to dine with us and share a libation or a glass of lemonade have done nothing but admire her. But I've always had the plan to move her into the garden at the late summer, early autumn, because that's where I want to have her after all said and done. So, very carefully, what I've done is remove some of the soil from the inside of the container. She's lightly rooted. So putting my hand very carefully down the side of her and finding the bottom of the root ball, grasping the stems of the hydrangea at the top of the root ball, I carefully lift her out. And here she comes, all in one movement. Keep your hand underneath the root ball and very gently place her into the hole. Now you've already amended the soil a little bit at the base of the hole with some good organic mulch, peat moss. Straighten her out, being very gentle all the time. You want to reduce all the transplant shock. And then put your soil amendment in, good organic mulch, acid soil. You might have a little bit of aluminium sulfate in there, mixed with the native soil. All the time being very gentle. This is like moving a baby from the crib. The slow release fertilizer, the prescribed amount. This is quite a large plant, so don't be afraid of giving her a good feeding. This would be the last one of the season too. Now you might ask the question, Nicholas, you've always said you should plant hydrangeas in dappled shade. Well, this is very early in the morning, so we're just getting that early morning sun, so it's fine. Okay, cover over the fertilizer. There she is, and the only thing left to do is give her a really good drink to water her in. She's going to be really happy through the winter and will give you great blooms next spring and summer. So there you go. It's pretty easy. The whole key is being gentle with the plant. This is Nicholas Stadden from Monrovia Nursery talking about how to replant hydrangeas.